colleagues, thank you for being here. My name is Ramadan Abubakar, President East Africa Law Society. I'm accompanied here by the President Law Society of Kenya, Madam Faith Odhiambo, and also by Gloria Kimani, a council member of the Law Society of Kenya. This afternoon, we have filed a case before the East Africa Court of Justice at the sub-registry, which is based here at the Milimani Law Courts. This particular case is filed by Kenyans, namely the Chief Justice Emeritus, Willy Mutunga, Senior Counsel Martha Karua, human rights activist, Lynn Ngugi, Gloria Kimani, Law Society of Kenya Council member. We also have Hussein Khalid and Hanifa Adam. They are the applicants in a case against the Republic of Tanzania, the United Republic of Tanzania. In this particular case, as you will all recall, on May 18th and 19th, these Kenyans were detained, deported from the Julius Nyerere International Airport in Dar es Salaam, where they were denied entry into the country. And you very well know that they had gone to Tanzania to witness the hearing of the case of opposition leader Tundu Lissu. I should also mention that Tundu Lissu is also a former president of the Tanganyika Law Society. We have filed a case against this detainment, against this refusal of entry and deportation. And in this particular case, we have asked the court to issue declaratory orders against this deportation, to also issue compensation for this deportation, and the stamps that were made on the passports for the refusal of entry to be cancelled by the United Republic of Tanzania. This is not the first time that the East Africa Law Society or East Africans have filed a case on a deportation or a denial of entry across East Africa. The first case was by Muhochi Lukira, who is now a judge, and this is a second of similar facts and similar evidence, where countries across the region are denying EAC citizens to enter into their country. You will recall that as per the EAC Treaty and the Common Markets Protocol, every East African citizen has the right to enter into any East African community, region, and country. I think with this particular case, for now, it doesn't have a date. We have just filed it here in Nairobi, and it will be transported, of course, to Arusha, where the court is based. We are therefore looking forward to an expedited hearing to allow the applicants get justice for their refusal of entry into an EAC member state.
Society has said Kenya is a member, the Law Society of Kenya is a member of the East Africa Law Society, which is also a petition. And we are standing by the same. One of our council members who just merely went to watch brief was also detained and deported, as well as our members, senior counsel Karua. And as a country, as a nation, we want the government of Tanzania to be held accountable that they detained and deported these individuals for no particular reason. They had not committed any crime that was worthy to deny them entry. As much as they say they have the right to reserve entry, these are citizens who had come there several times. They have not sought to disrupt the work of the government. They merely went to watch brief in solidarity. We have had situations that even members of the Tanzania bar have come and sought asylum in Kenya, and we have offered the same willingly. And therefore, this act aims to only just destroy the relations in the East African region, and also fail to uphold the obligations as an East African community member. And therefore, we want to hold them accountable through the East African Court of Justice, and that this occurrence does not happen to other citizens from the Republic of Kenya. Thank you.